Hey y'all, my name is Scott, and today we have a Parsons chair that the brace for the front leg has broken, and the previous owner tried to fix it and that has failed. So we're going to see what we can do to get this chair back in working order. Y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, so we've got this far into the repair, and here's my repair. And this is the previous person's repair that tried to put it on.
It looks like it was wider and it broke. There's a screw hole right there.
But I just don't think that was quite enough. We added some glue to it.
And wait,
Chair seemed to have turned out pretty good, and if y'all hadn't subscribed to the channel, I'll leave a link right over here, and until next time, I'll leave some videos on this side for y'all to check out. Thank y'all for watching.